Welcome to VEX123, a robot designed to introduce coding to students as young as 4 years old. 123 takes coding off the screens and into their hands. Start by pushing the robot to wake it up. Then simply enter a sequence of directions and push the VEX button to go. The robot will confirm with a sound effect and follow your code perfectly. To try a new sequence, simply shake the robot to erase the previous one, enter a new sequence, and push VEX to go. It's simple, fun, and approachable for young minds. Once they've gotten the hang of 123, you can pair it with the VEX coder. By placing the cards in order, kids are learning that their 123 robot is following a sequence of instructions. This is real hands-on coding. When you press play, the coder scans each card, then sends the commands to the robot. As the robot follows the instructions, the coder simultaneously indicates which card is being executed. We've even created a customizable field for their robot, so kids can practice their coding skills and expand the field as they grow in their confidence and understanding. Plus, 123 also works with our free app, VEX Code, to unlock the full potential of your robot and the student who's coding it. Simply drag and drop the blocks into your sequence and push Start. VEX123 was developed with your classroom in mind. So we've also created free STEM labs for you as educators, deepening your professional development as well. These easy-to-follow resources will help guide your kids through fun, hands-on projects. VEX123 is a great way to teach your students the logic and problem-solving skills that are so important in coding and in life. These students are capable of so much at such an early age, and now coding a robot is as easy as 1, 2, 3.